Hello, how to solve this radical problem? Square root of 3 plus square root of x equals 3. Solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So, I'll start by taking the squares of both part of this equation. Square root of 10 plus square root of x raised to the power of 2 equals 3 power 2. Expanding this, we apply this identity. A plus b power 2 equals a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. These are a, this is b, so we have root 3 power 2 plus 2 times root 3 plus root x power 2 equals 3 power 2. From here, square root cancels squares. I have 3 plus this is 2 times root 3x plus this cancel this. I have x equals 3 power 2 plus 9. So from here, what I can do will be to move 3 over here and x over here. So I have 2 times root 3x equals 9. This is minus x. This is minus 3. So from here we have 2 root 3x equals 9 minus 3. This is 6 minus x. Divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. Half root 3x equals 6 minus x divided by 2. So what we do is to take the squares of both parts of this equation. This eliminate this. I have 3x equals, for this I have 6 minus x divided by 2. That's 6 minus x divided by 2. So from here, I have 3x equals 6 times 6. This is 36 minus 6 times negative x minus 6x negative x times 6. Negative x times negative x. This is plus x squared divided by 2 times 2. That is 4. This over 1 equals multiply 4 times 3x. This is 12x equals 36 minus 6x minus 6. It is minus 12x plus x squared. I move this over here. I have 0 here equals 36 minus 12x minus 12x again plus x squared. You have 0 equals 36. This is minus 24x plus x squared. So we rearrange this. We have x squared minus 24x plus 36 equals 0. We solve this for the other values of x. So to solve this quadratic equation, we make use of the formula method. Just x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times bc divided by 2a. So we have 1 here, which is the equation of x squared. That is our a. This is our b, and c is 24. So from here, we have x equals negative times negative 24 plus or minus square root of this is negative 24 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 36, divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So from here, I have x equals, this is 24 plus or minus square root of, this is 576. This is minus 144 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals, this is 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 144, this is 432 divided by 2. From here, we have x equals 24 plus or minus square root of 432 is simply 144 times 3 divided by 2. From here, we have x equals 24 plus or minus, this is square root of 144 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here, f x equals 24 plus or minus square root of 144 is 12 with 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals, this is 12 plus or minus 6 with 3. This cancel this, 6 cancel this, 12. So we have two values for x. We have x2 equals 12 plus 6 root 3. We have x3 equals 12 minus 6 root 3. So these are the two complex values for x. Now we have one real value for x. We don't have any real value. So now let's go ahead and check if the values for x will satisfy this equation. We have 12 plus 6 root 3. That's x1. For x2, we have 12 minus 6 root 3. So we have square root of 3 plus square root of x equals 3. If x equals 12 plus 6 root 3, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 12 plus 6 root 3 equals 3. So let's find out. This is less than 2 plus this, adding this to this is greater than 4. Is this equals 3? Obviously no. A number that is less than 2 plus a number that is greater than 4, will it give us 3? Obviously no, because this 4 here is greater than 3 itself. Adding to this, it will be more than 3. So this is greater than 3. That means that is not the solution. Let's consider this one here. I have square root of 3 plus square root of x equals 3. X is 12 minus 6 root 3. Square root of 12 minus 6 root 3 equals 3. Square root of 3 here, this is less than 2, plus 12 minus this will be obviously less than 2 as well. Will it give you 3? Yes, very close, because this is about 1.2, so this is about 1.8 or so. So if you add the 2, you should definitely have 3. So this is approximately 3 from here, and this equals 3. So guys, this is the only value of x that satisfies this equation, this one here, 12 minus 6 root 3. This one here is incorrect. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.